Racing is back in the Lone Star State.
Back here at Circuit.
Welcome back to Circuit of the Americas. Round one of qualifying complete. Group A.
Pick the inside because it gets really rough outside of that curve in turn one, and sometimes you're 3, 4, maybe 5 wide, and if you get too wide right there, there's a gravel trap, so you can lose a lot of time right there.
Of Austin Hill, he had issues in practice with rear grip, and then today more problems getting from first to second gear, and then after that he said it felt like the car was cutting on and off on him, and then he had to retire, felt like it was going to blow up, retired with a motor issue, so a tough break all around for Austin Hill.
And that probably came from missing. You never know what can happen in these long races. You got to just keep going. And I got a feeling we're not done seeing contact. 15
Obviously,
to go.
Not getting through turn one was
racing up front in those top 3 positions. That's allowed Cole Custer to reel in the top spot he's right in.
I love the fight that Sheldon Creed has right now. He realizes this clean air is worth a lot. And not only if he loses this spot, there's 3 others sitting back there, at least 2, that are going to. He had the 17 underneath him there, and that's where they ran out of real estate. And unfortunately, Cole Custer was on the receiving end of, to me, just looked like racing.
Props to our camera team, producers.
All right, Log Jam City. Here we go. He missed the corner.
Yep.
Sure did. Williams on there. He's like, did he clear him?
Yes.
Well, they do that. That's exactly right. Those yellow stripes on the back of there, they'll eat you every time.
Pretty good drivers sharing row 5. William Byron, Cole Custer tomorrow, right?
So we're going to have one more try at least, because NASCAR's overtime rules provide that we will keep restarting until the leader crosses the line with 1 lap to go under the green flag. Once that happens, the next flag will end the race.